Hi, I'm here to provide you an overview of the next generation Arista 720 XP series of fixed configuration cognitive campus Power over Ethernet switches. The 720 XP switches deliver a variety of Power over Ethernet connectivity options for all campus workloads, while also providing up to 100 gigabit uplinks for traffic aggregation. Using a state-of-the-art X3 packet processor, the 720 XP series supports dynamic traffic load balancing and hardware-based flow tracker telemetry, providing a real-time information of user, infrastructure, and IoT device workflows. Arista's single binary EOS provides a cognitive management plane that transmits telemetry to open monitoring solutions like Arista Cloud Vision. Running EOS, the 720 XP delivers cloud-grade Layer 2 switching, Layer 3 routing, and virtualization services based on 802.11 or EVPN over VXLAN. These power-efficient 1RU platforms provide redundant power and cooling features to offer users a reliable, high-performance, scalable campus networking solution that improves productivity while reducing total cost of operations. For Power over Ethernet applications, the 720 XP switches provide flexible power options, power redundancy, and prioritization, plus persistent PoE to support business-critical campus services like IP video security and emergency voice over IP communications. The 720 XP 48ZC2 platform provides 40 ports of 100 meg to 2.5 gig MGig at up to 30 watts. Additionally, there's 8 ports of 100 meg to 5 gig MGig at up to 60 watts, and there's more. The 48ZC2 also has 4 SFP Plus ports supporting up to 25 gig, plus another 2 QSFP ports supporting 40 or 100 gig Ethernet. The smaller 24ZY4 platform provides 16 100 meg to 2.5 gig E MGig ports at 30 watts, plus 8 100 meg to 5 gig E MGig ports at 60 watts, plus 4 25 gig capable SFP ports. The 1 gig optimized 48Y6 delivers 48 by 10 to 1 gig PoE ports, plus 6 25 gig capable SFP ports. Lastly, the smaller 24Y6 provides 24 10 meg to 1 gig Ethernet ports at 30 watts, plus 6 SFP uplinks supporting 25 gigabits. The 720 XP switches conform to 802.3 ATAF and BT PoE specs. They also support all Arista optics, from short and long reach 1 to 100 gig, multi-rate 10 to 25, and WDM. The flexibility of packaging and interface options helps administrators optimize their budget for their custom campus use cases. The 720 XP series switches only require 140 to 175 watts to operate, but they come with optional 650 or 1050 watt power supplies to fully power all the switch's PoE interfaces. M+1 power supplies, coupled with power budget and prioritization controls, allow administrators to customize power allocation to mission-critical services, providing redundancy where necessary and prioritizing power where appropriate. These power control options give administrators flexibility to optimize their campus switching budget. Finally, the 720 XP switches are designed to continue providing power during software maintenance to avoid service interruption. To meet campus segmentation and scaling needs, the 720 XP switches support Layer 2, 3, and overlay segmentation services, including industry-standard 802.1q VLANs, Layer 3 VRFs, and EVPN over VXLAN. The X3 packet processor used in the 720 XP switches can scale to 16,000 MAC and host IP addresses, and its route table scales to 128,000 V4 or 80,000 V6 entries. The IPv4 and V6 switching is supported with EOS's suite of dynamic routing protocols. The X3 processor supports recirc-free VXLAN routing, is line rate, and supports table stakes QoS marking and prioritization features to enable VoIP and video in the campus. Through EOS, the 720 XP also supports table stakes LLDP device identification and 802.1x authentication services. .1x features include dynamic VLAN and access control list assignment. In addition to VLAN and VXLAN segmentation, the 720 XP supports VXLAN encapsulated data flows from Arista Wi-Fi devices. These combined identification, authentication, segmentation, and prioritization services assures administrators that their Arista campus network can handle anything users throw at it. The 720 XP campus switches merge reliability with performance through the X3 processor's dynamic load balancing feature. In addition to the usual load-sharing computations for MLAG or ECMP, dynamic load balancing additionally tracks link utilization per flow and dynamically rebalances flows to optimize performance of the campus infrastructure. Dynamic load balancing interoperates with standard Layer 2 lags and Layer 3 ECMP, so Arista's cognitive switches don't only preserve the install base, they improve it. As with all Arista platforms, the 720XP switches use the same field-proven EOS binary running in thousands of production networks. Modular reliability, self-healing, and high availability services like MLAG ISSU, Layer 3 maintenance mode, and Smart System Upgrade ensures reliability and reduces software lifecycle costs. Real-time telemetry of device, user, and application workflows are available through EOS's unique cognitive management plane, coupled with the 720XP's Flow Tracker feature. Real-time data is transmitted to CloudVision's monitoring tools or can be exported through standard APIs like IPFix, SFlow, or gRPC GNMI. Flow Tracker helps CloudVision inventory users, devices, and applications and allows administrators to track key service metrics without compromising switching performance or reliability. Flow Tracker's open APIs also support an ecosystem of third-party monitoring and security applications. EOS's open APIs allow administrators to automate configuration, maintenance, and software lifecycle management through Arista's CloudVision management platform or other industry standard DevOps tools. EOS and CloudVision simplify administration and reduce operating costs by providing uniform orchestration and automation of Arista campus switching, Wi-Fi, data center, edge, and cloud platforms. In summary, for campuses requiring the highest level of performance, reliability, security, telemetry, and connection options to meet the evolving needs of users and mission-critical workloads, the Arista 720XP series are the ideal platforms, providing a variety of end-station and uplink connectivity options, flexible power budgeting and prioritization, system reliability and redundancy, switching scalability, and real-time telemetry that is accessible and manageable through industry-standard APIs. For more information about the 720XP Cognitive Campus switches, EOS, and CloudVision, visit our website at arista.com.